Really cool things we're going to be doing today with our top coat. We're going to be using our UL80 polyaspartic top coat. We're going to be doing 2 top coats today, and we're going to be adding glitter to our top coat. This is going to enhance the top coat. It's going to look absolutely amazing. So here's the glitter right here. We've got our top coat ready to begin mixing it. We are using a gunmetal glitter color today, and I'm going to be measuring this out, and I'm going to be measuring out 120 grams per gallon. So we'll be adding that to our top coat, and we're going to show you, this process is kind of just something to make your top coat look pretty dang cool. So if you want to enhance it, make it look cool, here it is. This is the gunmetal. There are multiple options in glitter colors you can choose from, but this is what our gunmetal color looks like. So I just have a scale. We bring out a scale, turn it on, and I'm going to measure out 120 grams. Tony's going to be mixing up the UL80 here with our gunmetal in it. 120 grams. There's what 120 grams of glitter looks like. We did our Torginol Tidepool Flakes on this floor, and it has mica in it. So one of the things we're going to be doing after this first top coat is sanding the top coat before we add our final top coat on top of that. What's our final top coat going to be today, Tony?
Yeah, our final top coat's going to be the Poly 1 HD, which is a polyurea moisture cured technology. And so what that's going to provide on this floor is a more abrasion resistant floor for the multi-use of it, as well as it's going to help a little bit with the dust, hot tire pickup from some of those recreational vehicles that'll park in there for an extended period of time.
So we're going to put down this UL80. We're going to wait 3 hours. We're going to come back and sand and apply our final top coat.
We'll mix it before we pour it because this isn't activated. Now, if we leave this on the ground too long, it's going to want to stay in one spot. So we don't want to dump out more than we can handle.
We're doing our footings. So I'm just cutting in the footings and stem walls, right now. And all you're doing is just taking a chip brush and just brushing it on. So I'm brushing on a coat, prior to squeegeeing out and doing our floor. So just using, once again, just a throwaway chip brush, and you're just brushing on a thin coat.
Good job. Good job, Noah. Chris is doing a good job, too.
Hey, thanks. It's about time somebody gives me some praise.